Check out my quantum wellness routine. I start by scanning and optimizing all of my body and finding out exactly what supplements I need for the day. I also take blue. It is methylene blue. I take it every other day. And then I make up my little mocktail specifically with Immunical to supercharge my immune system. And this is where I'm imprinting frequencies, the homeopathy that I need exactly for today to my drink. And I have that. And of course take some supplements that were recommended as well. And I check out my report to see if there's any areas that need extra support that day. Next, I heat up my infinity mat. This is a PEMF mat, infrared, and 7 different crystals. It is also accompanied by the infinity wand, terahertz lower.